Welcome back to my cooking channel. What's on the menu today is chicken legs, okay? Some baked beans and cornbread, okay? I got my seasoning, my flour ready, my grease getting ready, okay? So I'm finna go ahead and start cause me and baby finna go to the store. I'm gonna do like a vlog, okay? Us going to the grocery store, which is Target. So got some gift cards, so yes. Be back. Oh yeah, the kids want me to cook some chicken legs because they got some to tell me. Okay, so let's see. Y'all know I wash my chicken off. Okay. Okay, now I'm finna season them. Let me take this off. Okay. You know I lose my Creole first. They want all the seasonings. Front to back. Paprika. Okay. Some onion powder. Garlic salt. And last is black pepper. Okay. Oh, I can't even see. Okay, then I'm gonna flip them over and repeat. It's not gonna be too salty. My food never salty. These was on sale too. So, and repeat. Same step on your powder. Garlic salt. And black pepper. Okay. Now I'm finna put it in this flour. And let it marinate. I do shake it up. Make sure you triple it. Okay. Now I'm finna clean my area off, okay? Finna make the cornbread already. Finna make the cornbread. Finna go ahead and put the baked beans in there. Same kind of baked beans. It's gonna go good with the chicken legs, y'all. Home style baked beans with tangy sauce flavor with bacon and brown sugar. Okay. Finna put it on the stove. It's already on, okay? Make the cornbread now. Okay, making the cornbread. We losing jiffy this time, okay? I do got them little muffin things, but I don't feel like losing it right now. I might do it tomorrow for Sunday. I'm eating chicken tomorrow for Sunday. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Need 2 eggs, some milk. Don't got no milk, use some water. Oh, and get some grease, some oil, okay? It's already in the oven. By the time I get done with this, it'll be ready. Okay. Put your eggs in this when you're done. Okay. Get another spoon. Okay. My ears ringing. It started off right here. Now it's eating right here. I'm gonna look that up. Okay, I'm finna go ahead and put this in the trash and get the grease out. It's hot. It's popping. Ooh, Lord. I ain't trying to burn my cabin top, okay? So I'm just finna stir it up. This how it look. Okay, I'm finna just stir it up. See, you don't see no more lumps. Okay. It's all out. So I'm finna get my skillet again and pour it back in there. Okay. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven for like 35 minutes. That's how long it takes. Look at the box. Or 40. I'm gonna put it 35 down. Okay. So while that don't finna stir the beans up. Let me see if the grease hot yet. Stir the beans up. They trying to stick to the bottom. Okay. Now remember, it might take you a little bit longer with the chicken legs because they thicker than chicken wings. So we gonna see. I'll clean that out in a minute. Let me see if the grease ready. Okay, a little bit more. Be back. Okay, it's a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in there because I got stuff to do. Y'all finna wash them. Okay. I'm gonna put them all in there. Okay. That's it. Okay. Be back. This is how the cornbread came out, y'all. I'm just gonna cut it in fours. So, one big one. Okay. Target closed at 10, so chicken almost done. Okay, so it's gonna be the how I cut it out. Like a pie, I guess. Okay, see that? Okay, y'all, the chicken is done. Gonna go ahead and put it in this, get a napkin. I'm gonna make sure y'all. I don't know why I feel like it's not done. It's done. Gotta make sure y'all can eat chicken legs. Oh, my bad. Maybe because of the grease. Yeah. Okay. That's how it look. I'm gonna fix the plate in a minute. I gotta see what babe gonna do first right quick. Turn this off. Let it cool off. Don't touch it yet. Let it cool off. Okay, now peace. Finna put this on here. Okay. Be back. Okay, y'all. Welcome back. I just made us some noodles as well. But I'm finna fix babe plates. He just got off work. Well, one of him got off work. But we had to go to Target, get some food. So anyways, chicken legs, we get 3. He want 3. Okay, babe. Okay. Put it in the oven for later. He gonna eat some later. The kids already got this. Some baked beans. He want hot sauce on his chicken like always. Got one of them though. I just got that cookie. We came home. And a piece of cornbread. Okay. You want this one? Okay. Put it on the stove for him for later. And I put the hot sauce on it when it get done, okay? So yes. To your picture of my noodle soup. You want some noodle soup?